Hello and welcome to another video. About 7 months ago I did a video talking about replacing the battery on this Romeo 1 on my P320 Compact RX, my carry gun. And it's now dead 7 months later, which is unexpected because the first battery lasted about, well, I think it was a few years. Also, the battery on this one is also dead, but I don't remember the last time I changed this. It was probably a few years, but I rarely, in comparison, I rarely use the red dot on this. It's just when I'm out in competition. So the last time I changed it for this one, I used Amazon Basics. I am going to move to a Duracell, which is, I think, is what it came with originally. However, I don't think that was necessarily the problem. If you do not torque these down far enough, and they are very difficult to torque down, then what will happen, it'll have an intermittent connection. It'll basically chew up the battery life if you don't have it torqued down properly. We'll see how we go this time, but I don't really know what to do if I can't torque it down. I've definitely had that experience on this. Like I replaced a battery and then it died within a month. Next time I torqued it down, then it took years for it to die. So let's go through the process again, see what batteries are inside. Well, this one I already know is Amazon Basic. Pretty sure this one's a Duracell. And see what I can do about opening up this damn plate, which accepts no known screw bit driver. It does come with a tool, a plastic tool that basically doesn't work. So just taking from my wheeler kit, which one actually fits the best. This one's close, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some paper to make sure it doesn't mar. And these are all cleared, empty mag well, empty chambers. So as stated before, I know this was the Amazon Basics one. I did that one in video. You can see there, Amazon Basics one. Again, I do not think this is a derision on the Amazon Basics one. In all likelihood, it might very well be the same cell as the Duracell, which is also made in China, but we will see. So this one had a Duracell. Doesn't appear to be the same. DL1632 made in Indonesia versus made in China on this new one. No idea if that'll affect anything. I doubt it. There we go, finally. So the main thing is to get this started off correctly. So you want to go lefty-loosey until you get it to click down. There we go. So I'll just get it to the point where it's tight. I won't apply too much torque while I don't have any protection there. It is very important to reverse it out first, otherwise you could be doing some real damage. So I'll do the same. It's all too hard to do it by fingers. Just go reverse until it all clicks down. There we go. Finger tight until, I mean, not even finger tight. Let's get some of this paper back on and see if we can apply a little bit of torque to this. Now, I don't think this will go even beyond 4 inch-pounds, but let's just see where it'll go. Okay, let's get this to actually a torque setting. Somewhere below 10. Something like that. Yeah, 10-ish. At least it's an actual torque setting that I could refer to next time if this doesn't work. No, it's not going to get there. No, I don't want to. This is just plastic. Oh, there we go. There we go. We have the dot back. You see that? Good. Okay, now for the other one. Okay, no, that's enough. These caps are very weak. You can see I've already marred it quite significantly. So it looks like you need to, there we go, press the button the first time to actually get it to go on. See, that's working. So most of that marring happened on a previous attempt. How badly did I mess this one up? Yeah, not bad. So the paper stuff does work, but the real question is, will it last? But I've done both Duracell, both the same technique. We'll see what happens. Now, if you've misinstalled it, it should end up losing most of its battery life just sitting. And when it's sitting, it should actually be turned off. Okay, until next time.